Hello Yarissquad, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another mukbang. But guess who's going to be riding with me? Today the big guy is going to be riding to me. And when I'm talking about the big guy, I am talking about the big guy right here. So yes, that's my big guy. His name is Onyx. So everybody say hello to Onyx. And yes guys, this girl right here, she names her cars, and my pickup truck name is Onyx, and my Malibu, his name is Ariane. So meet the big guy here. I'm not supposed to be eating in there, but Mama's gonna be driving it, so she will be making a mess. So I hope you guys come and enjoy the ride. Alright you guys, so today we're going to be having a mini mukbang, and I'm so happy to share another day with my squad, Yarissquad. And today we're going to be doing Burger King's new Pretzelbaconking. So that sounds delish. So we are going to go for a ride, and we're going to go get our food, and then we're going to give it a try, you guys. So let's go. All right, so today you guys see a difference. Today I am not driving my smaller car. Today I decided to drive my pickup truck. I don't really like to bring it out when I'm eating because I don't allow eating in the car. Believe it or not, you guys, this girl right here does not like anybody eating in the car because I make a hot mess. So I don't drive Onyx as much because I don't like nobody eating in here. And the smaller car, same thing, but I take, you know, when I'm eating, I do try not to make a mess, you know, and it's easier to clean because this big guy here takes a long time to clean. So I try not to eat as much as I do in the Malibu as I do with Onyx. And yes, I do name my car, you guys. I just want you guys to know that I'm that funny. But yes, my smaller car, his name is Ariane, and my big guy here, his name is Onyx. So everybody say hello to Onyx. So I'm trying to drive here, but it looks like it's busy traffic. I don't know if because it's lunchtime or what it is, but either everybody's hungry or they're just going shopping. And today is a little bit cloudy, but that's the life of winter. So we are in the winter season, you guys. So I'm on my way to Burger King. I'm so excited. You know, Burger King always comes up with all these new area. It's like one of those restaurants where you just won't get bored of what you eat because, you know, some restaurants, they always serve the same thing. That's the good thing about Burger King. They always come up with all these new foods and stuff to try, and they really do a good job. It's like really delicious. So today we're going to be trying our pretzel burger. I cannot wait, you guys. It's going to be so good, you know, so I'm excited. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna give it a try. The big king keeps doing it again. Oh yes, he does. He always comes up with all these great food. Go, 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 big guy. Go, 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 Burger King. King does it all the time, but let's see, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited for this. And of course, it's lunchtime, you guys. So the lines are humongous. I did mine online though, so I don't have to wait that long. All right, you guys, so we have arrived. We got one more car ahead of us. Yes, I'm picking up a mobile order for Janira.
What's the name again?
Janira?
Janira?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, anything else?
That'll be it.
That's enough.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hi.
Do you want sauce with onion rings?
Yes, please, Susty. Okay, perfect. You too. Thank you. All right, you guys, we got our order. Okay, let's see where we can park to make sure you guys can see me enjoying this food. Yum, yum, yum. All right, you guys, so we have arrived at our destination. Now we are going to try our food. Okay, so today we're gonna try Burger King's new Pretzelbaconking. That's how you call it. And I got me some onion rings too. I love the onion rings. I like it more than the fries. Look at that. And then you dip them with their zesty sauce. What? It's so delicious. So we got these. I'll be right with you guys. Alright, you guys. What? Whoa! Here it is, you guys. The king did it again. This is his new Pretzelbaconking sandwich. Look at that, you guys. Look how big it is. It's so huge. I actually got the double. They have it single patty, 1/4 pound of patty, or they got the double 1/4 pound patty. I got double because of course, you know, I was gonna behave, but since I'm driving with the big guy, I said, you know what, I have to eat big. So this is the pretzel. Oh my god, guys, it's so huge. It's actually bigger than what I thought. This is like so cool, you guys. All right, you guys, so time to open it. I'm gonna open it. I can't wait till I'm anxious to see what it looks like. Ah! Oh my god, you guys, look. Oh my god, it actually smells kind of like, because I like my pretzel bites. I love pretzel bites, and I like it with cheese, but sometimes, you know, if they don't sell cheese or something, you can dip it with mustard, and that's what it smells. I can smell the pretzel. And the mustard on it. Look at you guys. Look. Look at that. It is huge. Oh my god, this is definitely going to be my breakfast and lunch, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy I didn't have too much to eat for breakfast, because this is like so huge. Oh my god, look at oh my god, look at that big piece of meat right there, you guys. You guys gotta come and try me, because I taste Yummo. All right, you guys, I'm gonna dig in. Big bite. Mm. Mm. Mhm. 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 Mm. Mm. Just as I thought. Mhm. 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 Mm. Mhm. 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 Oh my god, you guys. This is delish, you guys. OMG. Mm. 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 Mhm. 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 You guys, I didn't think about how a pretzel sandwich would taste like, and it's so delicious. The new pretzel King at Burger King consists of the bread. Instead of being bread, it's actually a pretzel bun, slightly toasted, 1/4 pound of beef patty, made and seared to perfection, nice, moist, and juicy. You guys, like, my hands are like wet of, like, just full of juice. It consists also of mayo, mustard, bacon, and cheese. So you get 2 slices of cheese for each patty. Oh my god, it is just so soft, juicy, and delicious. What else can I expect? Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You guys, Jottie's doing her happy dance. I am doing my happy dance, and you guys already know what that means. No bad news here, baby. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Now that's what you call a real pretzel bacon king burger at Burger King, you guys. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys need to give it a try ASAP. Mm. Oh, sweet Jesus. Now I'm having some onion rings. Mm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm. This burger will go just as good with their french fries or their onion rings, but I love BK's onion rings. They're like the bomb. They are the bomb, you guys. They are the bomb. I'm having so much fun. Look at you guys. That is dipped with the zesty sauce. I know it's bad, but I gotta lick my fingers. BK, you guys did it again. Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. Look. So juicy. You guys can't go. You guys gotta run. Run and go get yourself the new Burger King Pretzel Baking King. What better than Burger King's onion rings? I'm gonna cleanse my palate. We have the Burger King Halloween kind of clown theme coin. Ooh, did I burp again? Sorry. So you guys, I hope you guys are checking out my recipes. I uploaded one not too long ago, my cornbread chili. It's been a hit in my family. A lot of people they've actually said it looks good. Excuse me, some of them have tried it already, and this is the best thing and easiest recipe that they were able to do, and it was so tasty, and they could just leave it there. I like to do simple recipes because for all those working moms and dads that sometimes don't have time to cook dinner, you know, it's not always healthy to eat fast food and stuff. So sometimes it's good to just try to cook, you know, they're trying to get dinner ready. Sometimes you're so tired you don't want to, you know, go home and be hours again cooking, and then it's not good neither when you're eating too late at night. So crock pots are really good, and that's a really good crock pot recipe, and I think you guys should try it because you could just leave it there. By the time you get home, dinner's ready, you know. So I hope you guys, if you guys haven't watched my video, make sure you watch it and try it, you guys. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Another bite again. Mm. 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 That was a big piece of bacon. Mm. And you could taste the pretzel. The pretzel taste. The bun doesn't come, because I know some pretzels come salted, but the bun doesn't have any salt on it. But it tastes just perfect. Mm. Everything just melts in your mouth. So good, so delicious. Delicioso. Mm. 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 Mhm. 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 All right, you guys. So, I'm gonna give you my review for the pretzel burger at Burger King. It's called the Pretzel Bacon King at Burger King. Not the dip on my onion rings. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. All right. So my results for the rating for Burger King's new pretzel burger. I gave it 10 stars, everybody! 10 stars, 10 stars. BK did it again. Woo! Yes, so the highest ratings are always 5, but I'm so excited. It was so tasty and flavorful. I actually give it 10 stars, you guys. It is so good. It's so delicious. It's so moist. I'm telling you guys, you gotta go out. Don't go out. Run and try yourself Burger King's new pretzel burger. It is so delicious. The bread was slightly toasted. It wasn't over toasted. It was fresh. It was so soft, you know. The burger patties, oh my god, the meat was like humongous. It is very filling. It consists with 2 slices of cheese, mayo, and mustard. You can add lettuce and stuff if you want. They could do that separate, but I like to order as is, as it comes, so I can give you guys the right review. You can order it with onion rings or French fries, a drink. If you don't want just a sandwich, you can just order the sandwich. It does come in single patty if you don't want to try the double patty, but I'm driving with the big guys, so I had to get the double patty. But they do have it in single patty if you guys want to behave. But if it's your cheat day, just go out there and just eat. Who cares? You gotta enjoy the food while you can. You only live once. So it was nice having you guys today. I'm so excited I was able to spend another day with you guys. It was fun spending lunchtime with you guys. Please do not forget to give me two big thumbs up. Give me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Yarissquad. You guys are gonna enjoy it. There's a little bit of everything, vlogs, mukbangs, dinner recipes, and it's easy recipes, fast recipes, so you guys can go home, you know, as a working woman myself. I try to do easy recipes on my work days, and even if it's your day off and you just don't want to cook a big dinner anyways, it'll work as well. So don't forget to subscribe. don't forget to give me the like. Don't forget to comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time.